Hello, Vitepos lovers! In this video, we'll introduce you to the new scanner functionality in the Product module, Barcode Generator module, Stock module, and Transfer Stock tab. Remember to subscribe if you're new, and if you're already with us, we appreciate your support. To view the product scanner, start by navigating to the Pause Products module. By default, the search option is selected. Click on the scanner icon, then scan products using the product ID. This makes it easy to find any product. Next, to access the barcode scanner, navigate to the Pause Barcode module. With the default search option selected, click on the scanner icon and scan the product using the product ID to view both barcodes and QR codes. To check the stock scanner, navigate to the Pause Stock module. Here, the current stock search option is selected by default. Click on the scanner icon, then scan products with the product ID to see stock quantities. For the stock transfer scanner, navigate to the Pause Stock module, where the current stock option is selected by default. From here, go to the Stock Transfer submodule. In the top right corner, you'll see a Transfer Stock button. Click on it, select the outlets between which you want to transfer stock, add any notes if necessary, and then scan products using the product ID to complete the stock transfer. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more updated videos.